Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I have been on the lookout for a reasonable set of pots and pans for a really long time. Thankfully, I found this awesome set from CAROTE. It is an 11-piece granite set in a cream color, and I love it so much. It is so great for storing. It all stacks together, so it hardly takes up any space, and I love that it has this removable handle because it can fit on all of the pots and pans, and it is perfect non-stick cookware. I love that I can just switch from one to the other, and the handles don't get in the way while cooking. I have cooked so many different things in these pans and nothing sticks. It is perfect. And I love that it came with 2 larger size pans. I can cook a club pack of meat no problem. And red does not stain it at all, even when I'm making tomato sauce. Eggs come out perfect every single time. And even my husband was super excited about how easy this wiped out and how easy it was to clean. I really love how little space they take up in my drawer. It is amazing compared to other pots and pans, and they are so non-stick. It is perfect. Even if it's something like cheese or egg, it just slides right out. And another awesome feature, they are also oven safe, which is amazing. So there is nothing better than these pots and pans. If you were looking for the perfect set of pots and pans that is durable, dishwasher safe, but also stores very easily, I highly recommend this set. I use it every single day and I love it so much, and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.